Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. Honda is about to introduce a new motorcycle model that looks quite attractive, known as the Honda Hawk 11. The upcoming bike will officially appear at the 38th Osaka Motorcycle Show 2022, which will be held from 19th to 21st March 2022. So let's talk about it. So far, as an initial introduction, Honda has released a teaser image for the Hawk 11 that shows its round-shaped headlights and thick headlight fairing in retro style. The Honda Hawk 11 is also said to be a large-size model. It is likely the same as the touring Honda NT1100 2022 model with a 1084cc engine. So far, Young Machine has already posted some rendering images of the Honda Hawk 11 model. If it's true, this latest Honda Hawk 11 2022 looks so sporty in such a retro style. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.